Hello, and welcome back to our ongoing series about using the Waldorf Library's online resources. In this video, we'll be discussing peer-reviewed articles. You may have heard or seen the term peer-reviewed or scholarly in one of your classes talking about appropriate sources to use for your assignments. But what exactly does that mean? Peer-reviewed refers to a journal that has a review board made up of experts in the field who evaluate everything before it's published. For example, the New England Journal of Medicine is a peer-reviewed journal, which means that every article they publish has been read by at least one other medical expert to verify that the piece meets a high standard of quality. Most popular magazines and newspapers, like Time or the Washington Post, are not peer-reviewed, although they may have an editorial staff. An article in Men's Health is probably edited by a number of people before being published, but they are most likely journalists and not medical professionals. Additionally, a blog may be written by a licensed doctor, but no one other than the author needs to approve it before it's posted. For these reasons, articles published in peer-reviewed journals are generally more trustworthy and accurate than non-peer-reviewed sources. Your professor wants you to use peer-reviewed or scholarly sources in your assignments because no matter what subject you study, the strength of your paper depends on the strength of the information you use to make your argument. So how do you find peer-reviewed sources? Let's go to Academic Search Complete, one of our databases. In the center of the home page, there is an option to search only scholarly sources. This is the results page when I search steroid use, which shows articles from publications like the American Journal of Medicine and the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry. You can see on the left-hand side I still have the option to limit by peer-reviewed sources. When I unclick the box, I get about 4,000 more results, most likely from publications like Sports Illustrated, the New York Times, and USA Today. Most of the other databases Waldorf subscribes to have a similar option to search only peer-reviewed sources. Limiting your search this way is one of the simplest ways to make sure that you get the most accurate, up-to-date, unbiased, and respected sources of information for all of your classes. This concludes our look at peer-reviewed articles. If you have any questions or have a topic you'd like us to cover, please write to us at library@waldorf.edu.